This is a part 2 because I had no time left on my video. So, okay, we have more things here. Look how small that bird is. Okay.
Вот chicken,
All
смотри какой.
right.
Мазочки.
Alright. Yo guys, look at that. That looks kind of cool.
А мне знаешь, какие?
Yo, that looks clean. That looks... What is that? Some more chicks. Yeah, chicks. Chicks. More birds. Hey, yo. Look guys. Look how weird that
Белая сова было только 8 наблюдений в Латвии.
This is like super rare, I think.
А это кто?
Yo! Okay, there's more small birds. More smaller birds and lights up. Ha ha ha. Some crows. This is the most annoying bird to ever live. Now, feathers, birds, feathers. I mean birds and feathers. A duck in the winter. And we came to a dead end.
Смотри какие.
And just because I'm a bad boy.
Мы туда не пойдем.
Boom. Oh no, wait. Yeah, the security's coming. Yeah, because I'm dead.